Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Costco haul for the month of December. It's December 5th today and it's Friday. We are entering into just like the busiest part of the year. I feel like December and May are the busiest months with school and activities with the kids and just all kinds of great celebrations and stuff. But with that being said, we needed a lot of convenience, quick and easy things to eat for dinner. So let's get into what I purchased. If you're interested in prices, I'll have that listed down below in the description. I'm in Northern California, if that helps for comparison as far as pricing goes. The first thing I got were these lightly breaded chicken breast chunks. So this is just a quick and easy, like if you want, you know, kind of a Chick-fil-A dupe at home, those chicken nuggets, and then you can make fries or tots or roasted potatoes or something to go on the side. You also can turn this into like teriyaki chicken or sweet and sour chicken with rice, just for some easy meal ideas. Also, the frozen broccoli florets, we keep those in the freezer at all times because it's such an easy and quick side to go with meals. You just heat them up in the microwave for like 5 minutes, and then you have a vegetable. 2 of these bags of almonds. So it is the season where we do a ton of baking. So we make little like cookie platters for about 20 different families, just friends of our kids' families, friends from activities, friends from work, things like that. So almonds we make like candied almonds in the crock pot as one of the things that we put in their little gift plates. Some mashed potatoes. These will be a couple easy sides for dinners. This was a set of 4 Brie. They had a booth at my Costco, and so there's like a blue cheese Brie, 2 of the plain creamy, and 1 of like a smoked Brie. And I tasted the smoked one and it was really good. My oldest loves Brie, so I got those. We often will do a charcuterie board for an easy lunch or dinner, kind of throughout the year, but especially during the holidays when we're coming and going a lot with different activities, or like when we have family visiting or whatever. It's just really easy to bust out a charcuterie board. So I got that for those times. Some of this Japanese barbecue sauce. So it's not barbecue sauce. It's actually more like a teriyaki type sauce. So we use this with chicken and broccoli with rice in a bowl. It's delicious. A rotisserie chicken, that's gonna be for probably Monday night. We're gonna do Buddha bowls, and I love the rotisserie chickens. They're just so easy. They're $5, and it keeps you from, you know, going through the drive-thru, and you get more of a homemade meal even though you didn't make the chicken yourself. So we have like probably the busiest week this next week coming up. So Monday night we're gonna do Buddha bowls, which is like rice, chicken, cabbage, pinto beans, avocado, and then it's called yum sauce that we put on it. It's a really delicious, fairly healthy dinner. Let's see, where can I go here? I got 2 containers or 2 packages of butter. So there's 8 boxes of butter there for all the holiday baking we have. I'll start on that not next week, but the week after. So I thought I would just throw that in the freezer or in our garage refrigerator so I don't have to go get my baking stuff when the time comes. We love this Catalina Crunch cereal. It's got 11 grams of protein per serving, and it's kind of like the toaster, what is it called? It's like a popular cereal, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. It tastes a little bit like that, but we'll eat it as cereal with the protein milk for additional protein, or we'll put it on a Ninja Creamy for the crunch and the sweetness, and it's really delicious. So I got some of that. These Lindor chocolates are probably everybody's top favorite Christmas candy. So these are gonna go in stockings. So I got a package of those. Caesar salad kit as a side to go with dinner one of the nights. This is a 2-pack of the Mediterranean Crunch chopped salad kit. So again, easy sides. And then lastly, the spinach, cranberry, and pecan crunch salad kit. for a dinner. Some cucumbers just for snacking, or if I do any sort of Greek food, we'll use those, but we typically will dip those in hummus or ranch. This beef brisket, this will go with the mashed potatoes and one of the salad kits for a throw together dinner this week, probably on like Wednesday, I'm thinking. I got 2 of these sliced Tillamook cheeses. So this is our go-to cheese. We use it all kinds of ways, but I love it sliced because it's easy to just cut into fourths for charcuterie boards. You can use it on sandwiches. Yeah, so 2 of those, they last forever. You can put them in the freezer, or we just stick one in the garage and then one in our inside fridge. The smoked pulled pork, again, easy dinner on rice with broccoli, some coffee, some Cosmic Crisp apples. We love apples in peanut butter or almond butter, or just plain. Ancient grain probiotic granola. We put this on yogurt. Some avocados for the Buddha bowls, and just for whatever else we could do. Avocado toast a couple of mornings for breakfast. We love that with some greens if we have like the microgreens in the fridge, or we always do pumpkin seeds on it and some balsamic glaze, and usually some chopped up tomatoes. It's so delicious. So we will go through those avocados. I got 2 pairs of joggers for my oldest. A box of the Ghiradhelli triple chocolate brownie mix. One of the cookies that we make is a brownie cookie, and it's like rolled in powdered sugar, and then it's like a brownie crinkle cookie. A box of Cheezeit. So we make a Chex Mix every year, and we put it in a tin pan on the Traeger and kind of smoke it, and Cheez-Its goes in that Chex Mix, so that goes in the gift plates for the neighbors and friends and stuff. So I got Cheez-Its for that. I got some Toll House chocolate chips for monster cookies, which is another one we make. Tomatoes. I got a couple kinds of turkey lunch meat. So this turkey, which is the Kirkland brand, and I'm wondering if this replaced the one I used to get. I'm not really sure. And then I also got this organic oven roasted True Story brand. That looked pretty good. So lots of turkey. I got some ground bison. We usually do ground turkey or ground beef, but I figured we'd give that a try. I got this last time. This is the Kirkland beef sticks. So these are supposed to be, I think, comparable to the chomps. And these are delicious. We ate through the entire bag. So I got 2 this time to just throw in the pantry for quick snacks. Some already shredded cheese. We're going to do we're not doing tacos. We're doing nachos tonight for dinner on Friday. We're going to watch a Christmas movie, have nachos, and just have some really calm family time because we have a busy weekend with like Christmas light parade and a Christmas fair and a birthday party and just all kinds of stuff. So home night tonight, staying in, making some nachos. This was a new seasoning I saw. This was the Greek Freak Mediterranean blend, and we do love Greek food, and I'll often make homemade dressing, or we'll make like Greek bowls, Greek chicken. So I thought this would be great to have. Container of peanuts. So this goes in the Chex Mix thing that I make on the Traeger. Spiral sliced ham. So next Friday, a week from today, we're doing a potluck at my work for the holidays and just like kind of a final get together before everybody takes off. So I signed up to bring ham. So I'm gonna smoke this on the Traeger and bring that into work. Some grapes, some Chobani coffee creamer. It's our favorite. I got some new white sheets. They rarely have just plain king at our Costco. They usually have California king, and our bed is a standard king bed. So I grabbed those to throw in the cupboard. Some carrots. They changed the packaging, it looks like, on their peanut butter. So this is just organic peanut butter. It says naturally more creamy. So I got 2 of those. 2 big bags of flour for the baking. This garlic naan. So I got this a couple of Costco trips ago, and it has a very good shelf life if it stays, closed like this. But we typically will eat through 1 package at a time. But I got this just for when we have Indian food, or if we want to make pizzas on it, or have lentils, and we like to dip naan in lentils. That's a really easy dinner. So got that for that option. Some frozen lasagnas. This is a 2-pack. I figure we might have one this week, but my sister-in-law is also coming on the 19th, and she'll be with us until, I don't know, for probably like a week and a half, I think it is. But anyway, so I figured this will be an easy dinner when she's here. We'll probably be doing some of the Christmas baking, or a lot of the Christmas baking when she's here. And so that'll be a great thing to have during that time when I don't want to cook. So frozen lasagna, stick that in the freezer. Some sugar to restock for baking, and some brown sugar. We love this Fisherman's Wharf sourdough bread. We throw one in the freezer. Actually, we usually put both in the freezer, and I'll take them out as we eat them, but that's what we use for our avocado toast, or our cottage cheese toast is another thing that we do. These, I couldn't resist. So I walked past them and I was like, no, I don't need these. But then I decided, no, I do want those. So we're going to do this for breakfast tomorrow, probably with some like eggs or something on the side to get a little protein in. But this is just their cinnamon rolls from the deli. So got those. And then lastly, we got this pre-made shepherd's pie. Man, if you haven't had this, this is so good. This is new to our Costco this year, and we've purchased it like, I don't know, 3 times maybe in the last, we've probably had it like once a month for the past few months. So good, so hearty, great for like a cold night. And we're going to do this for dinner this week with all the busyness we have going on. So that'll be a really nice dinner option to have. So that is what I got at Costco this trip. If you're new to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe and stick around, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.